Alright, here we are going into the kitchen. Okay, there's the oven that we completely redid. Looks very nice. This cabinetry is all solid wood cabinets. No particle board at all. The sink you see here is a Kohler cast iron with Kohler faucet. This here is a little, I guess you'd call it a little hutch or whatever that I made for the washer dryer. It doesn't go with the house because it's mine. They want it, they can pay for it. Welcome to it. That's the way it looks behind the curtain, just so that it would kind of match the kitchen a little bit better. Here's underneath from the previous videos of before. You could see what was underneath here before. Now you've got this. Much nicer. See the two pipes going horizontal to the right. That goes over to the washer dryer. You've got electric and water hookups, and then we take and connect to a hose here that just dumps into the sink. That eliminated having to actually do any plumbing or any drain work for the plumbing, which was the bulk of the work. Got your back door over there, window, again the fridge, all been redone again. Great shape. And that's the kitchen. I don't know if I've ever showed you the floor in the kitchen. It really looks great. With the white baseboard all the way around, completely sealed. All the cabinets have been sealed on the edges there. Sealed along the backs, along the cracks. No place for bugs. Everywhere it's been sealed. Alright. And there we are.